How to add products to your store in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to your setup guide onto your actual website. You can see in here this products and services option, so make sure to click on this. Once you have clicked on that, you can see this. You can choose to sell physical products, services, group events, consulting package, gift cards, downloads, and custom merchandise. In this case, let me head over and add in your physical product. This will create the product page. You can just input right here the name and add the image. Let me head over and upload in here an image. Once you have added the image, input right here the product name. So for example, let's put in here sticker vector. And after that, click on next. You can just input right here the price. So for this case, let me input the price at around 500. And then from in there, you can also input unlimited stock, or if it's not available, you can just input right here how many stock is available yet. Let's input 100 stock and click onto this add more details. Once you're done with this, you can see into the details option wherein you can add the description as well as add forms, images, inventory, fulfillment, organization, and the likes. Once you're done, head over and save this and publish it for your site. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.